Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing Angular, React, and Vue, and exploring the differences between these popular front-end frameworks. These frameworks are used by developers all over the world to build dynamic and interactive web applications, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Step 1. Understanding Angular. Let's start by taking a closer look at Angular. Angular is a well-rounded framework that is built with TypeScript and offers a powerful set of tools and features for building complex web applications. One of its standout features is its two-way data binding, which automatically updates the view whenever the model changes and vice versa. This can greatly simplify the development process and make it easier to build complex user interfaces. Step 2. Understanding React. Next, let's take a look at React. React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, and it's known for its simplicity and flexibility. React uses a virtual DOM, which allows it to update the UI quickly and efficiently, even in large, complex applications. Step 3. Understanding Vue. Finally, let's explore Vue. Vue is a progressive JavaScript framework that is designed to be easy to pick up and integrate into your existing projects. It has a small size and focuses on being performant, easy to use, and easy to integrate with other libraries. Step 4. Defending Angular over React and Vue. While all three frameworks are popular and influential, Angular stands out in a few key areas. For example, Angular offers a comprehensive CLI that makes it easy to create, build, and manage Angular projects. This, along with its extensive testing capabilities, makes it easier to write high-quality, well-documented code. Additionally, Angular has a large and mature ecosystem, with a vast collection of libraries and tools to choose from. Conclusion. So there you have it, a comprehensive comparison of Angular, React, and Vue. Each of these frameworks has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice for your project will depend on your specific needs and requirements. In any case, it's always a good idea to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in web development to make sure you're building the best possible web applications. Thanks for watching.